Hello YouTubers. Today I'll be talking about something called angry zombie birds. Is nothing like Angry Birds. Basically, the Angry Birds are zombies. Let's show you how to do it. Click on easy. Okay. Basically, all you got to do is shoot them. And you got to try and stop them from getting on the other side. And here's a little hand. But it's not much to say about this game. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's an okay game, I suppose. Like, it's nothing like the original Angry Birds. That's why I am going to... No, then yeah, I'll keep it there. Okay, well that was Angry Zombie Birds, and later in the week I will do some more videos later in the week. You know, comment above, subscribe below, thumb, and you know, all that stuff. Thank you for watching.